You can read the full news from the link available in the description. Number 1. Tamil Nadu adopts bill to make Tamil paper compulsory for state government jobs. Number 2. The Himachal Pradesh government restored the old pension scheme. Number 3. EU inaugurates first mainland satellite launch port. Number 4. Prime Minister Modi flags off the world's longest river cruise from Varanasi to Dibrugarh. Number 5. Indian peacekeepers honored with UN medal for exemplary service. Number 6. Rajasthan becomes the first state to implement a policy for blindness control. Number 7. US and Japan signed pact at NASA HQ to explore deep space. Number 8. Jet Airways stock rallies as NCLT approves ownership transfer to Jalan Kalrock consortium. Number 9. IITH and Indian Navy to jointly set up Tech Innovation Center for Maritime Security. Number 10. Whirlpool India Managing Director Vishal Bhola resigns from the company. That's all for today. Please consider subscribing the channel for daily current affairs.